What interests me in film is I really want to go into acting. I've been acting since 5 or 6 years now. I started out in middle school with the musicals and everything, and ever since then I've been like, wait, I really like this. I want to do this when I'm older. My experience here has been amazing. Everyone has been really, really nice and like open to my ideas. And they've been helping me like figure out the sets and how to do certain things in my project. Everyone's like really open to doing almost about everything. Not one person set on only doing camera. They're like, I can do sound, I can act, I can help you out with anything, and costumes. And everyone has their own little niche here that really helps it all come together because we all like have a little spot that can help build the film. The environment here is like light and positive. Everyone genuinely enjoys what they do here and they want to help you, and I don't feel like a burden asking for help because we're all learning. And even the counselors, like, they're all here because they've gone through this before and this is what they want to do as well. And I mean, Dr. Rumi has been amazing. She's been so welcoming and nice to everybody. It's a really safe environment to share your ideas and really have them come to life.